Good morning, Mr. Nahafizal. Before I start, I would like to give all of you a preview on the topic I want to talk about today. Imagine walking into a hospital and see a young girl sitting in the waiting room holding her mother's hand tightly. She is nervous because today she will receive her cancer test results. I believe some of you here have already felt it or have felt the mother's feelings, whether if it's your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your close friends, or even maybe your spouse. Sadly, this is the reality that many Malaysian families face. Every year, thousands of people face the same fear, hoping for the good news but preparing for the worst. Cancer is not just a disease, it is a crisis that affects families, careers, and dreams. Assalamualaikum and have a good day, everyone. I am Rozakia binti Muhammad Nasir, representing the National Cancer Society of Malaysia, also known as NCSM. I have a master's degree in oncology from University of Malaya, and now I work as an oncologist at Gleneagles Hospital, Johor Bahru. I already joined NCSM for 4 years, and I believe that we could work together while maintaining both parties get the benefits. Our organization has been fighting against cancer since 1966, helping Malaysians through education, medical support, and also emotional care. The association was founded by the late Datuk Dr. S.K. Dharmalingam, Malaysia's first oncologist, and was launched by the then Prime Minister of Malaysia, the late Yang Amat Berbahagia Tun Abdul Razak. NCSM is currently under the patronage of His Majesty Sultan Paduka Seri Sultan of Perak Darul Rizwan, Sultan Nazrin Muizzuddin Shah. Today, I am here to ask for your help. Your company, ABX Holdings, has the power to make a change in the life of those fighting cancer. Now, let's take a closer look at the situation. Cancer cases in Malaysia are rising. Each year, more than 1,500 Malaysian women are diagnosed with cervical cancer, and almost 900 of them lose their life. Despite being preventable, cervical cancer remains one of the top three most common cancers among women. The main reason? Many women do not have access to proper screening or the HPV vaccine. So, without early detection and vaccination, this number will continue to grow days by days, years by years. The lack of financial resources makes it difficult for underprivileged women to get the medical help they need. This is where the National Cancer Society of Malaysia steps in. But we need a strong partnerships to reach more people. We cannot fight this battle alone, and that is why we need you. Moving on to our NCSM latest news, we have developed the Leaving No One Behind program to bridge the gap in HPV vaccination access. So recently at Ipoh, more than 70,000 women in Malaysia have received the human papillomavirus HPV vaccine since February last year, and we aim to prevent this cervical cancer from spread. National Cancer Society of Malaysia, which is our director, Professor Dr. M. Murali Taran, said this number was encouraging and the result of the hard work of NCSM staff in collaboration with various parties, including the Perak government. This initiative aims to provide free or subsidized HPV vaccines to girls in rural and lower income across Malaysia. So, what can we do about this? With your generous donation of 200,000 ringgit Malaysia, we can expand our Leaving No One Behind program, which provides free or low cost HPV vaccinations and cancer screenings to women who cannot afford them. Your funding will help us to provide free HPV vaccines to 5,000 young girls so it can protect them from cervical cancer. We offer early detection screenings to 2,000 people in undeserved communities and support mobile clinics that travel to rural villages for cancer education and medical checkups. Last but not least, we will expand counseling services for families dealing with cancer diagnosis. By investing in this program, you are not just contributing money, you are providing opportunities for early detection and prevention, ultimately saving life. Now, let's take a moment to imagine the future. With your help, young girls across Malaysia will grow up without the fear of cervical cancer. Mothers will not have to worry about their daughter's health. Families will stay together longer, free from the pain of losing a loved one to a preventable disease. And ABX Holdings, you will be at the heart of this change. Your company will be recognized for its commitment to corporate social responsibility. You will receive tax benefits, enhance your company's reputation, and most importantly, leave lasting impact on Malaysia's future. Imagine the pride in knowing that your company helped save thousands of lives. This is not just a donation, but it is a legacy. At this point, you might be wondering, what can I do to help? The answer is simple. Act now, Mr. Nahafizal. Cancer doesn't wait, and neither should we. With your 200,000 ringgit Malaysia, we can protect thousands of Malaysian women from this deadly disease. I urge you to take this opportunity to be a part of something bigger. Imagine the joy and relief of families knowing that their daughters are safe because of your contribution. This is your chance to be a hero, to make a difference that will be remembered for years to come. Together, we can make Malaysia a healthier, cancer free nation. Join us in this fight, make a difference, stand with us today. I believe that's all from me. Thank you.